Right, we're on Romulus Rapids. Well, it's looking a bit choppy, I'm not going to lie. And here's me. Woo! Hey! Woo! Oh! Well, that's my backside soaking wet now.
Like here.
Yeah, don't want these training kits.
Oh dear me. Nicely themed though, these rapids, aren't they? Yeah, those little log flume down there. Log flume, little rock flume. I don't know, waterfall, that's what I meant. I don't know what I'm talking about. What's the plot? Still got a massive queue for Pegasus there. It's a fantastic ride. I'm not really sure it justifies that enormous queue, but I did like it. And see, it's all going, hey! Woohoo! Woohoo! I know. Oh, poor Casper. Casper's getting drenched. There is actually an enormous pool of water on his seat. Oh, you see it all down, draining away now. Oh my goodness. Oh. Hey. Well, things are getting a bit serious. Oh. Whoa. Oh my, all over my feet that. Oh.
I'm putting soap.
Oh no. My foot's soaking now.
Is that the end of it?
Oh, it's a great vantage point to see Pegasus go there. It's a great ride. Although the queue line is quite long.
We're alright.
That looks like pretty much the end of the adventure here, although there is some water cannons that look like they're going to absolutely drench us as we come down here. We want to be staying around this area. We don't want to be any further. Because we're like, no. Oh no. Oh my lord, straight through the middle of that. Oh no. Oh no. Well, there was no need for that. Well, you're not going to pick anything up on this camera, so I'm just going to end that there.